On behalf of the team who created I Was 8814, I want to welcome you to this evening's premiere.
I didn't think that it would be this thing that would change my life so much.
Everything. I loved everything. It just encouraged me to kind of look at my own, I guess, darkness of my past or my story.
I think of it as a story of a child that chose to forgive those that had perpetrated such violence against her parents.
That it is possible for hatred to be transformed into forgiveness.
It's like a huge gift. I feel as though I'm unwrapping a gift that's going to endure.
A conclusion that ends in forgiveness. I don't even know how that happens. And in this story illustrates how things work out when your heart is in it.